say this together as an exercise. Níbo lò ń lọ?
Níbo lò ń lọ?
Say it loud so I can hear. Níbo lò ń lọ?
Níbo lò ń lọ?
Where are you going? Mo fẹ́ sáré dé ibẹ̀ yẹn.
Mo fẹ́ sáré dé ibẹ̀ yẹn.
And then this is how to practice on your own. You take the accent, put the accent and the words separate. Mo fẹ́ sáré dé ibẹ̀ yẹn. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Right? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Mo fẹ́ sáré dé ibẹ̀ yẹn. Like the talking drum will make the sound. And then start to put the words in it, and you're going to know it perfectly without no problem, without no guesswork. Níbo níbẹ̀, da 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 da. Níbo níbẹ̀, da 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 da. Da goes down, right? Da, up, down, neutral. Down, down, right? Níbo níbẹ̀. Ní apá ọ̀tún yẹn ni. You see, I'm saying the words one at a time, right? But now you know it and you're ready to use it, just talking to anybody, you just say ní apá ọ̀tún yẹn ni, right? Ní apá ọ̀tún yẹn ni, right? But for clarity, because we're learning it, we use the tones in a simple way. Yeah. Ní apá ọ̀tún yẹn ni, da 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 da, right? And then you start to hear those accents, and then you start to put the marks on them. Ó dára o, da 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 da. Ó dá, neutral, right? Alore. Hyphenated that because ire should be there. I-R-E. Ire should be there, right? But when we want to speak it out, say it out, we say alore instead of aloire, right? Yeah. Aboire. Aboire o. Da 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 da. Neutral, right? So, communication words break down. When somebody say "nlo" means going, right? "Nlo," like in some Orunmila sayings, words, in the Odus they will say Orunmila nlo, onlo, onlo, baba nlo, right? It's going forward. It's going forward. As it's going forward. Sare, to run or walk hastily. Ibe, somewhere. Ibe. Níbo, Ibe. Ibe yen. Someone was arguing with me about yen that is not in Yoruba and said, yen is in Yoruba, please. And but when you start looking at certain areas, they may be using it differently. Inyen, that one, right? Inyen, that one. Ohun, yes, question?
Yes, I'm a little confused with the point on the bottom and the S sound.
The point on the bottom. Okay, let me show you clearly now, because we only have how many of them? 3. We have S, we have O, we have E. Right?
Right.
Don't forget the accent now. In Yoruba, this will be called she, like S-H-E. We have 2 S's, C, which is the S, and she. This is it.
So the one that has the point on the bottom is she.
Yeah.
The one is plain.
The one that explains the sound of it is at the top.
Okay.
Bottom will be there. This will be O.
Oh,
Like O,
oh,
right? That'll be O, not O.
oh,
Yeah, O. O is the one without the dot under it. So that O too is Yoruba. We have O, we have O. We have C, we have she, right? E, we have, E. When I was explaining television last time, I said, how did the English got E in the television? The pronunciation. Some professor proved that actually English came from Yoruba. That's debatable, right? Because the English don't have no A in alphabets. Okay, so we have A, which sounds like A. It's not E, it's A. And this is A. And that clears that.
all right. Yes, sir.
For the accent, left hand goes to down. This, somebody mentioned that. Who mentioned that?
Me, I'm the one
Literal.
just wanting to cause trouble.
You wanted to cause trouble. Don't say it at all, because because people could be writing it
Right.
when they are writing fast. They start writing it like this. They start tilting it, right? And they start sounding like do. Okay? So nothing there, down. And down will be B. B, down. And up to the right. Gain to cause something, right? So I'm very happy that we should be happy that, yes, questions.
Yeah. And to help out, you will notice that most, if not all the accent, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that all the accent sign you put is
Yeah.
mostly on our vowels.
Yes, yes, it is. The accent, yeah, mostly on the vowels. This will not have accent, right? F will not have accent, and F is pronounced fi. Yeah. So all that is in the book.
Because I found a video online,
Yeah,
but it's more teaching you the pronunciation about the alphabet,
right.
Yoruba alphabet.
Yes.
So I started with the pronunciation, but my curiosity, there was with the A's, with the S, and O and E's.
Yes.
So I want to make sure,
Right.
that's why I'm asking you this.
Yes. Yeah, you get some correct pronunciation. This is Apa. Right? And this is also Apa. Right? What is this?
It's green?
Okay, Apa.
So it means limb?
Huh?
Like
The branch of the
Branch,
tree.
branch. It's better to use the word branch. Alright? And this will be what?
Elbow.
Elbow. You speak in English.
Oh.
Igumpa?
Igumpa.
Igumpa.
Igumpa. Igumpa. They say gun because it's sharp. And Igumpa. But they are referring to Igun, not Igun.
Igunga.
Yeah. Now, remember we talked about Ibadan and Ibadan last week? The same way. Igun apa, Igun means angle, sharp point. Egun. No accent.
No accent.
No accent. Yes. Accent should be on this one and that one, but no accent. Egun means elbow. Elbow. Pa. Now, when it turns to Igunpa, now there's accent.
Okay.
So that's why I want to show you.
Igumpa is the elbow,
Yes.
but Igum is the
Is
sharp-
angle. Sharp end.
Sharp.
Sharp end. Like triangle, right? Sharp end right there. Alright? Sharp end right here, sharp end right here. Right? But for the elbow, you see that? Sharp end right here. Igunpa, now the accent change. Igunpa. The accent changed. The moment I put the PA there, the accent changed. Right? So when you see that happen in Yoruba, does not mean that, why should they do that? Why should they now start putting accent? Because it sounds right that way to them. Some cities are compressed like that, right? And you say, okay, why, O2 effect? Huh? And where did the O2 come from? What's 2 and O2? 2. Then you start looking at 2. And then O2 goes up, 2 goes down, and 2 means tranquility. Right? Kiko 2 Yolara, tranquil. Right? Igun, sharp. Igunpa, elbow. Right? And then it's also referred to the same thing because Igunpa 2 is kind of sharp.
Sharp.
We'll get into the body parts later. Shin, all that. Questions on this one before we move on? Odara, it is well, it's good. Odara, when somebody is telling you something on the phone and say, Odara, 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 that's good. Okay. The dara is different from no dara. Alright? Dara, good. Dara,